Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everybody. It's Merkannie Tigo
Tigo.
time, and we're going down. What?
World famous wreck beach.
You got it.
And if anybody's naked there today, I give them points.
Exactly, because it is 10 degrees and it's very windy. So again, we are at the entrance of Wreck Beach, and we'll catch up later.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. Hi, everybody. Wreck Beach, here we come. Yay!
The beach is scattered with big logs. Here she comes. My wind blown. I don't know if you can really tell how fast and cold the wind is. She's coming. Her and her long hair. Here we go through the beginning of our, what is it, Foreshore Park Trail? Lots of different wildlife here. Mini birch tree forest.
It's a bit boggy smell, isn't it?
Yeah. And what did you call these little places, dear?
Never mind.
Oh, I think she had
No, don't. It's a very special place for couples.
oh, there we go.
How's that? See? Nice. They have triangle. And then come here. There's a square. Right? So that's for a square couple. And that's for a triangle couple.
This is a really well-maintained, taken care of place. Cool.
Okay, look at this log. See if I can go up here. Wow! It's huge! So let me try. Oh! I can't! Okay. That's fine. You don't want me to walk on you? That's fine.
I think she's angry at the wood. Bad log.
I'll go here. This is fine. I'm happy with this one.
So we found a way over to the beach now off the main trail. We're just walking along the waterfront.
Anyway, it's been a wonderful day. Hello, everyone. From the very bottom at the beach, it took me 482 steps and a total of 12 minutes and 10 seconds. People are complacent today because they're not wearing masks, and it's unfortunate. It might be a problem in about 2 weeks, so It's okay by the beach not wearing your mask. However, going up and down the stairs, not a good idea, folks. Not a good idea.
We did it. Another complete trail.
Actually, it's good afternoon now. We did it in about, we started 7:30.
Almost 4 hours.
4 hours, there and back.
About 8 kilometers, because we did a little
Yes.
jogging around, checking things
Yeah,
out.
but it's beautiful, man.
The stairs at the going there are a lot of fun. The stairs coming back aren't.
Yes, the trail itself, it's well maintained. Come early, like really early. It's opened at 7 a.m. Highly recommend, because the parking, there's no proper parking. It's basically just the road parking.
It's very, very busy getting
Yeah.
to be now.
Yeah.
And it's cold and windy down there.
Oh, very windy. Like, I put my hair down because my hat just keeps flying away, and yeah, we highly recommend. Like I said, I was hesitant for a time there because it's Wreck Beach. You know, it's known for
Well, it's a clothing optional beach.
exactly.
And we've only seen, because it's so cold and windy down there, there's only been one optional person with no clothes. Yeah.
Another successful day.
Yeah.
Another successful hike. Merkannie Tigo signing off.
Sign up today.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Take care.